Such a sudden proposal is rare indeed. The man was sitting in a chair, with the proposal line in his hand. He asked his girlfriend to marry him while reading. The girl who was proposed happily agreed. In that end, the two kissed sweetly. We had a good dinner together. After the successful proposal, Joey went home to discuss it with his mother. Let mother and sister live together. He moved to his girlfriend's city. The mother had a complicated expression when she heard her son's thoughts. There is no part. There is relief. There is sadness. This is the first time they've ever been apart. While Joey was packing, his mother got him a present. Tell him the place where his mother is will always be his home. Joey is also grateful to his mother for taking care of him over the years. Without his mother, he would not be today. Joey went back to the hospital after dropping off his mother at his sister's. It pays to keep exercising. This time Joey's weight came to 427 pounds. His doctor had promised him to reduce his weight to less than 430 pounds before he could have his skin removed. So after examining Joey's skin, the doctor approved the removal of his skin. On the day of the operation, my girlfriend came to stay with her. Give him a boost. The operation lasted 7 hours. Successful completion. The fat cut from Joey's stomach weighed 34 pounds. Now Joey's a lot lighter, and he's slimmer than ever. After recovering from the surgery, Joey made a lot of preparations for the wedding. He bought himself a beautiful dress and went out to learn ballroom dancing. In the blessing of love and Joey's own efforts, back at the hospital, his weight is down to 374 pounds. That's amazing perseverance. The doctor is so happy that Joey has made the difference. Joey also invited the doctor to his wedding. Without the help of a doctor, he wouldn't have lost weight, and he won't meet his true love. How bad life was once. How happy we are right now. The end of the video is still that sentence. Trying to change the world. Start by changing yourself.